Welcome back, my friends, to another episode of the Denial of the Day podcast. My name is Taylor Grant. I'm here with you from Bellator Claims, and Chris, our claims manager, is here. Chris,
Hello, how's everyone doing today?
good buddy, you?
I'm doing fantastic, thank you.
Awesome. Hey, you know what? We've gotten some requests for this, and so we're going to take a huge step backwards and
Huge step back.
explain kind of what a public insurance adjuster does and what
Mhm.
is a public adjuster. And the quick, very Reader's Digest version answer to that would be we are adjusters that represent the public adjusters. We are not allowed to represent the insurance company. And unless it's like an emergency and there's authorization that happens, but we only work on behalf of the insured policyholder, the public, to fight the insurance companies if and when they're being unfair. Chris, why is that so important for the people that are watching?
Yeah, I think it's very, very important. And I'm glad we're talking about this again, just to reiterate kind of
Yeah,
our specialty and what we do, because most people don't really know that we exist. We hear that all the
that's
time. Like, I
right.
didn't even know you guys existed.
Yeah,
But yes, you have someone in your back, you have someone actually on your side fighting for you versus you against three or four other people, and that's about it. And
right.
so
It's the
that's the
David
short
versus
version.
Goliath, right? The David versus the Goliath, which is you as the insured, one person, against this huge multi-billion dollar national, multinational conglomerate that has thousands, 50,000 employees. Who do you
Mhm.
think's going to win that battle?
Yeah.
Right? So ultimately, we represent the Davids versus the Goliaths, and we fight for your best interest regarding the policy.
Mhm.
And what that means is the policy is just a contract between you as the insured, between the insurer. You insured pay a premium to the insurer. Then the insurer says, hey, if something bad happens that's covered in this policy based on everything that's in this policy,
Mhm.
we'll pay a claim on your behalf to make you back to pre-loss condition. It's called indemnification. So we as the public insurance adjusters use the policy that is a contract that you as the insured is in with the insurer to make sure that the insurance company actually pays the claim fully and fairly. And it's really as
Mhm.
simple as that. Anything else we should add, Chris?
Yeah, you brought up a great point too. I mean, we use the policy. That's how we use to fight and basically get you back to indemnification. But one thing you should realize too is that we're not a
Right,
contractor. We're not an attorney.
right.
So but we do have the knowledge of contractors, and I'd say we're kind of smart enough to know some of the knowledge on the other side, but we stay in our lane because there's certain things that general contractors can't discuss with that actual adjuster. You want them to kind of take it over, but there's certain things when it comes to policy where we get involved. We're
Right.
like, hey, Mr. Adjuster, based off the policy and this and this is
Yeah.
what we think that it should be at. So think of us
Right.
kind of like that. So,
Absolutely. And I'm glad you brought that up because it reminds me, because we do this every single day. Sometimes I forget, the basic simple things, which is we are licensed by the state. So every state that we are in, we are licensed in one way or another with that state to represent you as the policyholder, as the insured, as a contractor, if you have like a assignment of claim or assignment of benefits, to represent your interest against the insurance company. So we're licensed by the state. And so we have continued education requirements, we have licensing requirements, we have confidentiality requirements, good faith of and fair dealing requirements. There's a bunch of other things that go into it. And probably one of the most important things is the requirement to be a fiduciary, which all that means is we have to put your interests as the insured above our interests and make sure we're representing you and making sure that you are happy with the outcome as best as we possibly can. Some people aren't going to be ever happy. So, but as long as we're representing you and looking out for your best interests, we have met our fiduciary responsibilities, and that is huge. So, contractors don't have that duty, attorneys do, but so do we. And so, we're just trying to explain kind of the differences and the nuances of what we do as public adjusters versus what contractors can do versus what attorneys can do. And we as public insurance adjusters also we get paid on a contingency basis, meaning if we don't collect for you, if we don't win for you, if we don't win a dollar, we don't get paid.
mhm.
So it's
I think
really a
that's a
no-brainer getting us involved to help you win your claim. So let me tell you something. The sooner you get us involved, the better it is for you, the better it is for us. We have more options with the more time that we have available. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Let us know how we can help you and do us a favor. We're trying to get this message out to a million freaking people,
Mhm.
contractors, insureds, commercial real estate brokers, property managers. Do us a favor, give us a like on the video,
Yes. Like.
comment, share with the world, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one.